Don't mess up on how you report your income on your taxes, because it could mess you up and you could owe, and let me explain. In a previous video, I explained the difference between getting income reported on a 1099 miscellaneous form where you can't write anything off, or getting your income reported on a 1099 NEC, which you can write off a lot of stuff and reduce your income. But this comment that I got is correct. Forms are wrong a lot. You report the income based on the character of the income, not just the form. If you got income reported on that 1099 miscellaneous as other income where you can't write anything off, and it should have been on the other form, 1099 NEC, non-employee compensation, where you can write off everything, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna report that other income, miscellaneous income, as, let's say it was $10,000, $10,000 other income. You're then in the next line you're gonna reverse it, and you're gonna put reported on Schedule C and deduct the $10,000. That way it's zero other income, and then you go and report it on the correct form, which is Schedule C for profit or loss from business, and report your income there so that you're able to take all your allowed deductions and write-offs against that. Same thing's gonna happen if you got income reported on the 1099 NEC, but it should have been miscellaneous income because this was like a one-time thing. You're not really like in the business of doing these services. It's not gonna be recurring. That type of income would be considered other income, where you just report the income and you don't write anything off against it. You're gonna report that income that you got on the 1099 NEC on the Schedule C because you need the IRS to match what you have on your tax return to what they have on their forms. But then you're just gonna back it out. You're gonna deduct it and minus it out on the Schedule C, and then add it to the correct section of the tax return for other income. I think this is the easiest way to do it, instead of reaching out to the company that issued you the form and telling them, hey, this is the wrong form. Then they're gonna have to do a corrected form, send it to the IRS, have that process. It's gonna take forever. You can just fix it on your tax return. I think that's the easiest. Let me know in the comments if this has happened to you, where you got something reported on the wrong form, or you got the form and the amount was wrong.